Sintoco's medical assistance toilet seats are raised by 2 or 3 inches. These seats are ADA compliant and designed to assist those with disabilities or limited mobility. By elevating the toilet seat to a more comfortable level, there's less bending and pressure on the knees. A higher toilet seat can also assist in transferring from a wheelchair to the toilet by raising the toilet seat to a level closer to that of the wheelchair. Let's take a step-by-step look at how simple and easy it is to install and maintain your Sintoco medical assistance toilet seat. First, it is important to make sure that you have all the parts needed. As well, you will need only one tool, a 9/16 inch wrench. Insert the hinge pins into the hinge holes of the toilet seat. Place the optional spacers if required and soft gaskets on the threaded hinge posts. Place the plastic seat lifts into position over the bolt holes on the toilet. Holding the hinge pins and hardware in place, put the seat in an upright position and slide the hinge posts through the holes in the plastic lifts and toilet bolt holes. From the underside of the bowl, place the soft round washer, metal round washer, and metal lock washer on the hinge post and start to thread the nut manually. Finish tightening with the 9/16 inch wrench until firmly secure. Repeat on the opposite side. As you can see, a Sintoco medical assistance toilet seat operates like a standard toilet seat, but with an added lift. Note that the inside bumpers may not touch the rim of the bowl depending on the model. For maintenance, we recommend periodically checking and retightening the nuts. Please clean the seat with a soft, damp cloth and mild soap only. Notice the difference that the additional height provides. There is less bending and pressure on the knees, making it easier and more comfortable to use a Sintoco medical assistance toilet seat.